Fix rips and holes fast with an ultra-strong, peel and stick repair tape that requires no heat or sewing. Ideal for use on tents, tarps, jackets, vinyl furniture, and more. Apply Tenacious Tape to almost anything with its aggressive adhesive that bonds permanently to nylon, mesh, vinyl, rubber and plastic, not recommended for seams, denim, cotton, or natural fabrics. Make a washable repair sealed with this repair tape featuring a waterproof coating that won't peel off over time. Use this roll, 1.5 inches x 60 of clear vinyl tape for nearly invisible repairs on all types of gear. Packaging may vary. Sport type. Cycling. Top reviews from the United States. It works. I recently completed a DIY tent project using this miracle tape and can honestly say this stuff really works. It's very expensive, but when it comes to joining mylar, sil nylon and Cuban materials, you get what you pay for. And the finished product has withstood some serious storms and is still completely waterproof and seam sealed. Try it, you won't be disappointed.